How to set your team name in FPL. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can set your team name on FPL. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that you have to open up browser. So open up Google Chrome in your device. Once you're here, you have to go to the FPL. So in the search bar, you have to search for FPL and open it up. Head over to the first link on your interface. That's gonna take you to the official website. If you're not logged into your account, tap on login and then sign in with your FPL account. So once you're signed in, navigate to the menu bar at the top, head over to pick team option. Once you're on the pick team tab, scroll down. Keep on scrolling till you find an option as the admin. So here, once you get to the admin section, under admin section, tap on team details. Then at the top you will find your team name. To set or change your team name, now you could clear the name and then change or set your new name. So once you're done with setting your new name, all you have to do is tap on update details, and with that your name will be now changed and it says updated. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.